My name's Angela Spinato. I've been in the tri-state area for about over 17 years, and I am very, very phobic of the dentist. I prior to seeing Dr. Melillo at this office, I had seen another doctor which I was not happy with, and because I'm very phobic, I thought he understood me, but he didn't. So I came to Dr. Melillo through a friend, and I met him, and he put me at ease on how to be in a chair, and he knows me, I don't like to have reclined all the way back. And 20 years ago, I did veneers, and they got stained after so many years. So I wanted to make my smile good again, and porcelain crowns is what I got. But I'm very phobic. And he just walked me through it, and and if I wasn't happy on something, he was like, "We're going to fix it. We're going to do it right. You're going to have a great smile." And he did. And I come here, and I know the whole staff, love them, and they are my family. And it's almost like if they don't see me for twice out of the month, they're like, "Oh my God, she's missing," So I really like coming here, and I can't believe that I'm not afraid of the dentist. I actually like to come to the dentist now, and people always compliment me about my smile, and they always say, "Oh my God, you have a beautiful smile." And I say, "I know the perfect dentist for you, Dr. Melillo.
Wow.
He's a great dentist, and he works with my daughter and my oldest son and my sister, my mother, who's very picky, and so everybody's happy with them, and I'm very happy with them, and the staff too. I can't say enough." Dr. Melillo is a person who's I don't know how he's just like me or you. He talks to you and makes you understand. He makes you feel so comfortable, and if you have any hesitations, he will make you feel comfortable in the chair. He will address everything you want to talk about your teeth. If you are phobic, he understands it, and he'll calm you down, and he'll do whatever it takes to make you comfortable in that chair. And what you're trying to achieve in your mouth, he's going to try to get to where you're happy, and he won't stop until he will, because that's the way he is. And he always calls you back and sees if you're okay. Especially if you had a procedure like porcelain crowns like I did, and I have a sensitive mouth, and he makes sure he calls you. He's like, "Are you okay? Is everything okay?" He fixed other problems in my mouth that he didn't even work on, and he fixed them because I was having almost a twitch in my mouth because of a prior experience. He fixed it, and I'm very happy here. He's my doctor, my dentist.